Why can't I smile the way they do, with light in their eyes and laughter true? For years my grin was sharp and wild, the mask I wore since I was a child. You could see the evil in my teeth, a serpent's curve that hissed beneath. My smile was war, my smirk was sin. Darkness lit upon my skin. Now my eyes, they try to show a love I've learned, a heart that grows. Still I fight, still I pretend. Oh, I'm learning to smile again. I smile on the ocean sway, when the wind takes my pain away. I smile when I lend my hand, serving others helps me stand. But when I'm home alone inside, my grin retreats, my joy can hide. I want to show the world I've healed, but truth resists what's not yet real. Yeah, my eyes, they try to show a love I've learned, a heart that grows. Still I fight, still I pretend. Learning to smile again. I'm tired, hungry for something whole, a warmth to fill the cracks of soul. Not gold, not fame, not worldly style, just a reason to truly smile. Now my eyes, they softly glow, a sign of peace the past can't blow.